Good morning, traders. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Wednesday, April 27th, 2011. Markets are up. We see that the futures here, the S&P is up 0.35%, Dow up 0.24%, Nasdaq up 0.61%. Really nice run here on the Nasdaq. As far as news is concerned out here, we do have Fed coming out with interest rate decision at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time today. Most of the market believes that they will, stand pat, not moving the interest rate from 0.25%. And the Fed and Mr. Ben Bernanke will be doing something unprecedented by doing a media talk, and it's a press conference that the Fed will be doing, and that's at 2:15 today, and that's Eastern Standard Time, and that should be uneventful. However, this is very interesting, being the first one ever. All eyes will be on that, but I'm not expecting too much one way or the other as far as the market change is concerned. We do have Johnson & Johnson buying Synthos for $21.6 billion, and that just got reported at 5:30 this morning. And Boeing posts larger first quarter profits. That's not too shabby. S&P did cut Japan's sovereign rating on the outlook regarding the quake and the cost, due to that earthquake. And the US dollar keeps dropping. And that kind of brings us back to the Fed. The US dollar dropping will only make the markets go higher. And if the markets are going higher, then we will benefit in the markets for that. However, the Fed's under a lot of scrutiny right now because they are blamed for devaluing the US dollar. And that is not a good thing overall. But as long as the dollar is dropping, the US market should go up. Let's bring in the spiders here. 60-minute chart. Have a nice gap up this morning, high base, but look how this high base is forming, or where it's forming. It's forming at 135. That's a big area of resistance that we've been looking at a long time. I thickened this line, made it red. It's a big area, and you can see how it's really acting as major resistance. If we do go higher today, be looking at 135.50, 136, 136.50, and 137, and so on and so forth. If we start to drop, the support lines that you want to be looking at are as follows. And you can pause the video and write these down. They have not changed from yesterday. And there we are. On the Dow, we do have a high base, the Nasdaq, a high base, and the Russell's a high base, slight pullback on the 60-minute chart. So safe trading today, and this should be a decent day on day trading. So make sure all your market internals are in confluence with each other, and we wish you the very best out there in the markets. Take care.